And just make sure you check it first. I usually don't squeeze anything out. I just give it a really quick exam right there, and then I feel that it does have a cracks and a gaps right there. Scratchy, I'm gonna squeeze my little nasals right here. There's a little squeeze right there. Little needles right there, and you don't have to squeeze out and then use a lot. Just a little go a long way. Just squeeze it a little bit gently. You don't want to flood your crystal anyway. So now you're keying it for 60 seconds, and this nails will be completely done.
Oh yeah, and Maya gonna do her first set of nails tomorrow on a different person than herself. Should be exciting.
Oh, Maya, I'm so excited for you. Yeah, Maya will do a really good work. Hi, Dari. Hello, how are you? Oh, welcome back, Maya. I am so excited. It's like tomorrow. I know what we're gonna come up with some cool different designs as well. And today is such a great day to create it. And then also like we can do something different on this. I really want to like recreate something fun on this one.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Oh no. It's not bad, huh, everyone? Hope you like it because it's so many different ideas and we have so many different cool products to play with. Just keep in mind this one that looks different transparent because I put on a clear nails. However, it's going to look different if you have a different background. Like if you're doing a blue